Have you ever got off work and wish you had a way to just give yourself a personal massage? Well, I got the product for you. Stay tuned! Hello everybody, welcome back to Bazzar Repairs and Reviews. On today's video, we have the Comfier Shiatsu neck and back massager with heat and compression. It comes with 2D, 3D shiatsu, compression, and heating. So let's get this thing unboxed and see how it is. Okay, right away, I gotta say the packaging is very well. Nice pictures on the front. Quality packaging usually means quality product. Getting this thing out the box, what I do like is that everything is fully assembled. You don't have to do anything but plug it in. Okay, so right off the bat, we got the AC adapter. Plug this right in. It comes with a really nice long cable, so you can plug this thing in at quite of a distance. So that's great. Really need long cables just in case you don't have a AC adapter near you. Okay, let's get the bag open and see what we got next, which is the manual. And it's a pretty thin manual, very easy read. Most of the stuff is going to be handled through the remote, so you won't have to do much. Just press some buttons. Okay, as for the chair itself, the build quality on this thing is fantastic. You can just feel it. This is not some cheap product. It feels really good. Quality, I would say about a 10 out of 10. It'll fold right into different types of chairs as well. You will get massages from your neck, your back, and your bum. You also have this detachable pad. That little flap there, you can see that's detachable. And for the neck area, the neck rest is detachable for easy cleaning, so you can wash that as well, which is great. So the chair looks good. Now it is time to test it out. But first off, let's look at the remote. We'll get into more of that later, but you can see how detailed this thing is. There's so many different settings you can use, which is cool. Alright, so first things first, we're going to flip the unit over, and it has these little straps that you can use to secure it to the back of your chair. So I'm just going to pull my chair forward, place the massage chair right over the top, align it how you want it, and then use the straps in the back to go ahead and Velcro those in so that the unit stays in place. And it's nice and snug. They feel great. Then all you got to do is plug in the AC adapter and the little connector there at the chair, and you're good to go. Now we're going to go ahead and sit in and let's see, how does it feel? So we'll turn the unit on, and I'll show you the remote here. I got to say right off the bat, already good, and I haven't even played with it yet. Okay, so we're just going to go through the remote here. So right off the top, you have vibration. This is for your bottom area. So you have 3 different speeds, 1, 2, and 3 for your bottom area. You also have a demo button to test out all the features. You have your neck function at the top for your neck, and you can rotate that in different ways. So you have the neck massage. Next up, we have the 2D, 3D, and you have the rolling and spot. I highly recommend the rolling. It rolls up and down the back. And you also have the spot function there, which keeps it in a certain spot. Moving on down, you have the air back. You have the air back, air intensity, and air seat. It really snugly secures you in, even on the sides, almost like your thighs as well. It'll inflate the sides and your bottom area. You also have a full upper and lower back button. And the best of all, the heat function, which works very well. And the heat does not get too hot, but it's nice and warm. It feels amazing, I gotta tell you. I will be using this every day after I get back from the gym, or just when I'm finished work and I'm just a little bit tired. I'm just going to show here the neck rotation here. You can see how it moves up and down the neck, and it feels really good. Then I'm just going to show you here, this is how it will be on your upper back. I mean, this is about the best you can get for home as opposed to going to a personal massage. Once again, there's our nice remote that's lit up. Everything is very self-explanatory. very easy to use, and a very cool product. So like I said, you get off work, get yourself some dinner, something to drink, sit back, relax, and enjoy the Comfier Shiatsu neck and back massager. I'm going to go ahead and end this video. You guys have a great day. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.